Friday, January 9th, and we got a bit of snow overnight. And Dad was out here first thing this morning, and heard from the 1955 Bombardier owner today. He's out commercial fishing. Contacted me via satellite phone, and says he's gonna give me the last of the down payment there. We've already started working on the 55 again. As you can see, we got some wiring strung here already for his wiring cable harness, and got more stuff cleaned out here, and the front's been opened up, and I can see Randy doing some work underneath there. Randy's going to do all the wiring for us. The customer for the 67 came out for a visit. I wasn't here because I was at work, and wanted to inspect a bunch of what was going on here. So Dad spent some time. We'll get the lowdown here from shortly. But Dad is just finishing up this power steering job, and he's kind of focused in on this one simply because we want to get it done and out of the shop, because we can't really do too much on the 55 because we'll need this space here to move some stuff in. So he's got everything clipped off there for the underneath, so that it has a place for the door to rest, and we can put on those hinges. Blondie didn't have breakfast. Okay, Mila didn't have breakfast, so I got to stop the camera for a bit and feed this dog. Okay, just stop to feed the dogs here. Dad's underneath the dash here of the 67. Hey?
Oh, I thought somebody needed something.
No, just your fans want to know what's going on. So Dad's doing the wiring here, finishing off the power steering, and we'll check in with him later on and get the full detail on the customer's visit here today. And then we like I mentioned, want to get this one out the door very quickly, because the customer wants it for commercial fishing, obviously, but we need the space. And with the down payment hopefully coming Monday or Tuesday, remainder, then we can finish all of this. But we're still waiting on some parts. Of some bearings, races, and seals have arrived, but there's a lot of work to be done on here. And as indicated before, we are doing the bare bones basics, and that is wiring. We're going to put in, we got to take off the tracks to check all the bearings, races, and seals, and replace those. Dad's going to inspect all the axles, and we got to put in new sprockets. So I still got to do a big part order on that. And then the last thing is put in a new access plate down there so they can change oil. And Aiden's going to clean all this out with Varsol. We got a Varsol spray. And but yeah, kind of happy to see Randy come by and start doing the wiring, because that's it took a week to get all done. I know they got a couple gauges missing or damaged over there, so we're gonna have to replace those gauges. But just a bare bones job here to get these guys going. Part of getting that down payment also means then we can access the loan, because we already got work we've got an invoice for, and Dad needs some parts for their motor so that we can put it back into place, and Dad can do the final tune-up on this, and then we can get all the wiring connected here as well. And so yeah, it's going to be a while yet on that red 55, and then we've got that narrow gauge out in the yard, which is gonna, I think, even be a bigger headache. But if they can get that one operational, then that means they can get back to work. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's gonna be February before we see anything happen here. So Dad's now just coming in to help out Randy with something. But we want to get the 67 out of here in the next couple of days, and we're looking forward to getting that done. So Dad's been working on the final stages of the power steering, and he had me pucker up here because he couldn't find his electronic guts for the power steering, and We get that stuff out of Portugal. And holy shit, did I have a pucker up moment here. This machine has to go out the door, and I didn't have 6 weeks for this stuff to arrive.
Is just all hooked up, eh?
Yeah.
It's not finished. But, no, watch. And then you can look at the...
There you go.
One
Easy
finger.
one finger power steering. So this is what the guy comes in for. So
You can turn it down here
yeah,
for more pressure, eh?
yeah.
Whatever these guys want.
Okay.
There we are.
So lucky, I managed to find these parts. Dad couldn't find them. He usually has them in one spot, and he must have moved them on them. And but I found them in the super secret stash location, and so Dad's just got to wrap all that up for the customer, and hopefully in the next day or two, couple days, he can come pick up his machine.
He's not in a hurry. He wants it finished.
So
we gotta jack it up. We're gonna put the spring dampers in for him,
okay.
and windshield wiper is done.
Oh yeah.
So welding now. Put the hood and.
Yeah. Okay, so the customer did come by for a visit today, so Dad would have filled him in, and he did give him a windshield wiper, which he didn't have before. So a couple more days on the power steering, like just wrapping things up there and doing this, and then this one will be out the door. So beautiful 67. Hopefully back to the customer Monday, Tuesday, and it's Friday right now. Okay. Okay, so Dad's just showing me here at the end of the day some of his concerns, because I've got concerns, and we're discussing concerns over our end of day wet. What's your concern?
Well, we new 7 wire all
Yeah.
the way through, and a junction box,
Okay.
and we had to bring it up here because he's got his stove there,
Yeah.
and I don't want any electrical over top of that stove.
Yeah.
And this is where we are. Still got to be fastened, eh?
Yeah.
And now we're going to check the gauges.
Okay. All those gauges have got to be replaced, by the way.
So we had to put a box in here.
Yeah.
We cut a chunk of plywood, put it in behind, and put the screws in here so it doesn't look too bad. Eh?
Yeah.
Now, watch this.
Yeah. That bearings are fucked for sure.
You think it needs bearings and races?
Yeah.
And then I wonder what the axle's like.
Yeah. That's what I was just telling Dad, is that's my concern, is once we get the tracks and tires off,
Now,
every single one of these axles we don't know.
this wiring hooked up,
Yeah.
creased,
Yeah.
new.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the gauges.
Okay. So yeah, my concern is we don't know what we don't know until we pull off these tracks and those tires. And I know they need new bearings, races, and seals, but my concern also is the axles. So we'll get to it when we get to it. Our old Charlie dog. Anyways, I was wondering why Mila was in here. I didn't realize that she'd snuck in, and then Emily came in behind her. And these two peckerheads, Emily's figured out how to open the door. So if she wants in, she'll just push on the door, and she's able to get in that way. So anyways, the old dog is just getting treated up and getting some water, and these guys are having a late afternoon snack. And then Nina Pinta Santa Maria, Steve McCoy's favorite.